Looking to advance your IT career with certifications from top companies at no cost? Cisco is offering free courses and certifications in various software fields, but they won't be available for long. Whether you're a computer science student, recent graduate, or job seeker, this is a great opportunity to stand out in the tech industry. Let's get started. Open a browser, navigate to netacad.com and click on Login. Sign in with Google. Click the Google button and log in using your Gmail account, recommended. Browse for courses. Click on Browse Catalog, explore the subjects that interest you, and select a free course. Complete the course. Finish the course and pass the final exam to earn your certificate. Access your certificate. Go to your profile and select Badges and Certificates. Click on your certificate and choose View and Share Badge. This will redirect you to Credly.com. Log in to Credly. Click Continue with Google and sign in with the same Gmail account used on NetAcad. Manage and share. Scroll down, click Manage Your Badges, select your certificate, and click the Share button. About Credly. Credly is a digital credentialing platform that allows organizations and individuals to issue, manage, and share digital badges and certifications. It provides a secure and verifiable way to showcase skills, achievements, and qualifications. These digital badges can be displayed on social media, LinkedIn profiles, resumes, and personal websites. Pro tip: add your certificate details to your LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills and impress potential employers. All the websites and links mentioned in this video are available in the description box. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.